There is nothing quite like a neutral nude glam that's timeless and romantic. This makeup on Lana makes a perfect bridal look. I'll start off with a foundation to even out her skin tone, then using my color fluid in Carve to bronze and contour the face. This also brings back dimension to the face. I always blend my cream products with my foundation brush because the leftover product on the brush creates a seamless blend every single time. Next, I'll pick her concealer shades and a peachy corrector shade. The skin has to be flawless for photos. Then taking Heartist and applying that as blush. With my new canvas shade, I'm applying this as an all-over primer and eyeshadow base. A light base is crucial if you're going for neutral nudes. Setting that with my Monochromats palette all over the lid. Then taking the neutral brown and diffusing it close to the lash line and winging it out into the crease. Going over it with a detailed pencil brush for depth. I'm going for a lifted shape. I'm using boy tears and applying that all over the lids for a wet sparkle. And then taking the shade Thorn and using this as a butch-proof, waterproof liner, following and intensifying the shape. Contouring the nose and the lips, and setting the face with a lightweight powder that's dry skin friendly. I'm taking my eye tone pencil and contouring the lip line, and then going in with Heartist in the center. And that's my neutral nude glam on Lana. A truly timeless bridal look. I'm in love.